Hi, today we're going to talk about binary arithmetic. So we've talked about how to represent numbers using binary. So today we're going to talk about how you do arithmetic in binary, the things that can go wrong when you do so. We'll talk a little bit about multiplication and division, and then we'll give a preview of our next topic, which is going to be how we extend this to work with real numbers rather than just integers. So basic binary and hexadecimal addition really is fundamentally the same as decimal addition. You just add digit by digit using a carry as necessary as you move from the least significant to the most significant. So here on the decimal side, we would add the 0 and the 3, and that'll give us 4. We don't have a carry. We have 4 plus 8, which would be 12. So we'd have a 2 here and a carry of 1, and so forth as we go on. So in binary, we do the exact same thing, except that the carry is going to be if the number is greater than 1, right? So 1, 0 in binary is 2, and that's our base. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, no carry. 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's going to be a 0 carry 1, and so forth. And then in hex, it's the same thing, except that now 1, 0, or the base, is going to be 16 rather than 2 or 10. So here are the answers here, and you can see where the carries happened. So here we had a carry into here. We also had a carry into this digit, but no carry into this digit. Here on the binary side, we got up to this 1 plus 1, which gives us 2, which is 1, 0. So we had a carry into this column where we have 1 plus 1, which is 1, 0. Here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3, which in binary is 1, 1. So that means that we're going to have a 1 in this column and a carry into the next column, and so forth. And then in hex, we don't have a carry until we get up to this column where we have 9 plus 7, which is 16. So remember that 16 is 1, 0 in hex. And so we're going to have a 0 in this column with a 1 carry. And so again, this is the same procedure that you follow for addition in decimal. It's just that you're using a different base now.